The Valve Index Replacement Tether cable is an official kit designed to restore a clean, stable connection for your Valve Index virtual reality headset when the original cable wears out or gets damaged. It combines a DisplayPort 1.2 video lead and a universal serial bus 3.0 data line into a single, well-shielded tether that helps maintain sharp visuals and responsive tracking. The cable length is generous enough for room-scale play, reducing the feeling of being constrained while still keeping the setup manageable and tidy. Build quality is solid, with sturdy connectors and strain relief that help the tether stand up to frequent bending and movement during active virtual reality sessions. Included cable clips make it easier to route the tether along your headset strap or play space, cutting down on tangles and accidental yanks. Because it is made by the same company that produces the headset, compatibility and performance are highly reliable compared with third-party alternatives.